there's a well-known quote in my country by a famous South African by the name of Nelson Mandela, which is that we do not want freedom without bread, nor do we want bread without freedom. And he says in that context that using one category of rights to deflect the absence of the other is a smokescreen, and it does a double injustice. So what that means is that in fights for political freedom and in regime changes and in uncertainty and difficulty that is being experienced in Venezuela, as many countries around the world, we mustn't forget that if we are fighting for the protection of civil liberties, we are also necessarily fighting for the protection of economic and social rights. And the pandemic has made this even more clear. Yes, it had a disproportionate impact on some categories of people that were originally already marginalized. And yes, poverty has mattered to the experience of the pandemic. But if we want to claim and talk about human rights and have them protected by courts and in international forums, we need to take the rights that are about poverty and inequality, the economic and social rights, seriously, because without them, we don't have complete protection of human rights.